1 plus 1 equals 2. Then 11 times 2, which equals to 22. Okay, then 22 divided by 22, which equals to 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, therefore we have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one division here, one multiplication, and there is a parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis there is one addition. Okay, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, next is division, and finally this multiplication. Okay, if we do this multiplication before this parenthesis or this division, it is wrong. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis. 1 plus 1 is just 2. Then 22 divided by 11 times 2. Okay, so here there is a one division and one multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. Therefore, we have to do this division first. 22 divided by 11, which equals to 2. Okay, then times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4. This is the final answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of this problem equals to 4.